What's up everyone, it's JW Star and welcome back to the free Mastering AI Prompts course. We're on lecture 21 already, can you believe it? Speaking of diving deep, today we're going to be tackling a topic that's on everyone's mind: traffic. More specifically, how to drive more of it to your channel, website, or landing page. I've got 10 easy strategies that you can implement right away. We're talking about everything from leveraging the power of platforms like Medium and Pictory to really understanding how to make SEO and social media work for you. This is going to be a good one, so buckle up, let's get started. All right, first up, let's talk about Medium. For those of you who don't know, Medium is a fantastic platform for content creators. Think of it as a blogosphere where you can share your thoughts, ideas, and expertise with a massive audience. The beautiful thing about Medium is its potential to drive traffic back to your own platforms. It's like a bridge connecting your content to a whole new world of potential viewers. But how do you actually do it? It starts with creating high-quality, engaging content that provides value to your target audience. Think about the problems your audience might be facing, the questions they're asking, and the information they're searching for. Once you have a solid grasp of your audience's needs, you can start crafting articles, tutorials, or stories that resonate with them. Optimize your Medium profile and articles for search engines. Use relevant keywords in your titles, subtitles, and throughout your writing to make it easier for people to find your content organically. Include a clear call to action at the end of each article, encouraging readers to check out your website, channel, or landing page for more. Trust me, Medium can be a game changer when it comes to driving traffic. Next up, we've got Pictory, and let me tell you, this tool is a game changer, especially in today's video-first world. We all know that video content is king, right? It's engaging, it's shareable, and it's what people crave. But creating high-quality videos can be time-consuming and expensive, right? Well, that's where Pictory comes in to save the day. Pictory is a powerful, AI-powered video creation platform that makes it incredibly easy to turn your existing content like blog posts, articles, or even just ideas into stunning videos. And the best part is, you don't need any prior video editing experience to use it. It's seriously user-friendly. With Pictory, you can repurpose that content into eye-catching videos that will grab people's attention and drive traffic back to your main platforms. You can create all sorts of videos with Pictory, from explainer videos and social media clips to full-blown video presentations. Once you've created your video masterpiece, it's time to unleash it on the world. Share it on your social media channels, embed it on your website, and use it to spice up your email marketing campaigns. Okay, let's talk about social media. It's where everyone's hanging out these days, and it's a gold mine for driving traffic. But here's the thing. You can't just post randomly and expect the traffic to magically appear. You need a strategy, a game plan. First things first, you need to identify your target audience and figure out which platforms they're most active on. Are they scrolling through Instagram, networking on LinkedIn, or catching up on Twitter? Once you know where your audience hangs out, you can tailor your content to each platform. Remember, every platform has its own vibe, its own language. Consistency is key here. You need to be active on your chosen platforms, posting engaging content regularly. And I'm not just talking about promotional stuff here. Share behind-the-scenes content, run polls and Q&As, and engage with your followers in a genuine and authentic way. Social media is all about building relationships and communities. Do that and the traffic will follow. Chapter 4. All right, let's talk SEO, or search engine optimization. Now, I know SEO can sound a bit intimidating, like some secret code that only tech wizards understand. But trust me, it's not as complicated as it seems. Think of SEO as the language of search engines. It's all about optimizing your website, content, and online presence so that search engines like Google can understand what you're all about and rank you higher in search results. The higher you rank, the more visible you are to potential customers or clients. So, how do you actually do SEO? Well, it starts with keywords. Keywords are the terms or phrases that people type into search engines when they're looking for information, products, or services. You need to do your research and identify the keywords that are most relevant to your niche and target audience. Once you have your keywords, you need to sprinkle them strategically throughout your website content, blog posts, video descriptions, and even social media profiles. But don't just stuff keywords in there for the sake of it. That's a big no-no. Use them naturally in a way that makes sense to both search engines and human readers. Another important aspect of SEO is building high-quality backlinks. SEO is a long-term game, but it's an essential one if you want to drive sustainable traffic to your online platforms. Chapter 5. Now let's talk about content. You've heard it a million times before, but I'm going to say it again. Content is king. It's the heart and soul of your online presence, and it's what will ultimately attract and retain your audience. But here's the thing, not all content is created equal. To truly captivate your audience and keep them coming back for more, you need to create content that's not only informative and valuable, but also engaging and entertaining. Think about your target audience. What are their pain points? What keeps them up at night? What are they searching for online? Once you understand their needs and desires, you can start crafting content that speaks directly to them. Don't be afraid to experiment with different content formats. The key is to find what resonates best with your audience and focus on delivering high-quality content consistently. And remember, storytelling is everything. Chapter 6. All right, let's talk about influencers. No, I'm not talking about celebrities with millions of followers, though that could work too. I'm talking about micro-influencers, people in your niche who have a smaller but highly engaged following. These micro-influencers have built trust and credibility with their audience, and they can be incredibly effective at driving traffic and boosting brand awareness. But how do you find the right influencers to collaborate with? Well, start by looking within your own network. Are there any bloggers, YouTubers, or social media personalities in your niche who you already follow and admire? If so, reach out to them and see if they're open to collaborating. You can also use influencer marketing platforms to find and connect with relevant influencers in your industry. When reaching out to influencers, be professional, be genuine, and clearly outline the value proposition for both parties. Influencer marketing can be a powerful tool for driving traffic and building brand awareness, but it takes time, effort, and authenticity to do it right. Now, let's talk about email marketing. I know what you're thinking. Email? Isn't that so old school? But trust me, email marketing is far from dead. In fact, it's one of the most effective ways to drive traffic and generate leads. Think about it. When you subscribe to someone's email list, you're essentially giving them permission to send you valuable content and offers directly to your inbox. It's a direct line of communication with your audience. But here's the key. You need to make sure your emails are actually valuable and engaging. No one wants to be bombarded with spammy promotional emails. Instead, focus on providing value, sharing insights, and offering exclusive content that your subscribers won't find anywhere else. Email marketing is all about building relationships and nurturing your audience. Okay, let's talk about paid advertising. Now, I know not everyone is keen on spending money to drive traffic, but the truth is, paid advertising can be an incredibly effective way to reach a wider audience and boost your traffic numbers quickly. The beauty of paid advertising is that it allows you to target your ideal audience with laser precision. You can target people based on their demographics, interests, behaviors, and even their location. This means that your ads are more likely to be seen by people who are actually interested in what you have to offer. Some of the most popular platforms include Google Ads, Facebook ads, Instagram ads, and Twitter ads. The key to success with paid advertising is to experiment with different platforms and ad formats to see what works best for your business and your budget. Paid advertising can be a great way to jumpstart your traffic and reach a wider audience. Now let's talk about audience engagement. It's one thing to drive traffic to your online platforms, but it's another thing entirely to keep that audience engaged and coming back for more. Audience engagement is all about fostering a sense of community and building relationships with your followers. It's about creating a two-way dialogue where you're not just talking at your audience, but you're also listening to them, responding to their comments, and answering their questions. One of the best ways to engage your audience is to simply ask questions. Run polls, host Quanda sessions, and encourage your followers to share their thoughts and opinions in the comments section. Another great way to boost engagement is to run contests and giveaways. People love free stuff, and a well-run contest can be a great way to generate buzz and excitement around your brand. All right, finally, let's talk about analyzing and optimizing your traffic sources. Driving traffic is great, but it's important to understand where that traffic is coming from and what's working well, so that you can double down on your efforts and maximize your results. That's where analytics come in. Analytics are like a treasure trove of data that can provide you with invaluable insights into your audience's behavior, your content's performance, and your overall marketing effectiveness. There are a ton of different analytics tools available, but some of the most popular ones include Google Analytics, Facebook Insights, and Twitter Analytics. These tools allow you to track key metrics such as website traffic, social media engagement, email open rates, and conversion rates. By analyzing this data, you can identify which traffic sources are performing well, which pieces of content are resonating with your audience, and which marketing campaigns are generating the best results. Analytics are an essential tool for any marketer or content creator who's serious about driving traffic and growing their online presence. And that wraps up Lecture 21 of the Free Mastering AI Prompts course. We covered a ton of ground today, from leveraging the power of Medium and Pictory to mastering the art of SEO and social media marketing. Remember, driving traffic to your online platforms is an ongoing process, and it takes time, effort, and consistency to see real results. But by implementing the strategies we discussed today and by always being willing to learn and adapt, you'll be well on your way to building a thriving online presence. Don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful, subscribe to the channel for more awesome content, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any future uploads. As always, thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next lecture. Welcome to Chapter 13, Pinterest, Quora, and similar posting sites, leveraging platforms that allow links. In this chapter, we'll explore how to use Pinterest, Quora, and other similar platforms to drive traffic to your channel, website, or landing pages. These platforms allow you to include links in your posts, making them powerful tools for traffic generation. First, let's talk about Pinterest. This visual discovery engine can be a goldmine for driving traffic, especially if your content is visually appealing. By creating eye-catching pins and linking them to your content, you can attract a large audience. Remember to use relevant keywords in your pin descriptions to maximize visibility. Next, Quora is a question and answer platform where you can establish yourself as an expert in your field. By providing valuable answers and including links to your content, you can drive highly targeted traffic to your site. Make sure your answers are thorough and genuinely helpful to build credibility and trust with the community. Other platforms like Reddit, Medium, and even niche forums can also be powerful traffic sources. The key is to engage authentically and provide value before promoting your links. By effectively using these platforms, you can tap into new audiences and drive significant traffic to your online presence. Stay consistent, be genuine, and always aim to add value. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next chapter.